Do you see what happens when we keep giving this man grace, Montana? Do you see what happens? There was no time for me to even look pretty for this video because what in the 94/7 Anele and the club happened yesterday? Sh- shook, shook, shook,
Breathe.
shook, shook, shook.
Breathe for a
Can
second.
I breathe?
Don't gaslight
Can I
her.
breathe? Can you zip up your pants? Can you do that?
Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami ngumntaba kadade, ngumntaba kagogo, ngumntaba ka-anti, ngumntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Guys, quickly, and please respond to this in the comment section down below. I'm getting like 2 or 3 comments regarding a microphone on this channel. You guys, we have 2 microphones. Every time I use a microphone, there's more complaints about sound. When I don't use a microphone, there's 2 or 3 complaints about sound. So please, should we use a microphone? Should we not use a microphone? Please, this is very important, okay? It's a survey. Please comment down below. Yesterday on 94.7 Anele and the Club, we heard a man cheating live on radio. I will break everything down, but before I do, Retswere Kilisego. She is a beautiful girl from Bloemfontein. Hello, baby. She is a traveler. She does solo dates. She goes around South Africa showing you beautiful spots. What are you waiting for? Can we please subscribe to our also fellow senior managers? Please go over there. Tell her that Sim sent you, especially if you love travel content. She has got you covered. Lindenton, go over there.
Hi, management. My name is Kele Sekwe and I'm from Bloemfontein. And on my channel, we travel, we explore South Africa, international trips from time to time. And I believe there's more coming on my channel. If I'm not doing that, I'm going on solo dates or just spending time with family. And there's a lot of cooking because I'm a foodie. If you love food and would like new recipes, come to my channel. Promise you won't regret it. Thank you.
Now, yeah. Currently, Anele is doing Valentine's content, right, on her breakfast show, Anele and the Club. So there's a segment called War of the Flowers, right? So there's a lady that called on the show. Her name is Ulebu. Ulebu wanted to surprise her boyfriend, right? Because Valentine's is tomorrow. Anyway, but before surprising her boyfriend, there are some things that she is very suspect of, okay, regarding the boyfriend. She says they've been dating for the past 3 years. They now live together. And now, after living together for the past 6 months, this boy looks like he is in the crooked places. Because tell me why he is now into fitness. Give him Shimano what high rock. So Shimano what 10,000 steps all of a sudden for the past 6 months. Okay, gym aside, he has changed his dressing. Asa kogi brand wood. Hey, asa kogi kavera. Selim Shimon what makams. Kim Shimon what chino. He now has style. Ukiba makams. Okay. Hi Ulebu is like his name is Tabang. Yo, Tabo Tiba Tabang. Utabang Sega, he's into self-care. He wants to look good and reverentious. Okay, so this girl is like, So she's talking to Anel, and she's like, Anel, something is just not feeling right. You know, girls and intuition. That's why we believe in intuition and not grace. Okay? So Anele is like, okay, do you want us to call him and then we'll act like we are surprising him with a date and then we will catch him when we call him? She's like, yeah, can you please call him? I just want to find out if there's another person in the picture before I carry on with surprising him. Hi, sharp. Tring, tring. Hi, Tabang. You are speaking to the Marble Group, as in Marble Restaurant, right? We want to give you a Valentine's date for you and your partner. Yeah. Oh, wow. Thank you so much, guys. Uh, who would you want to take on this beautiful date? First of all, Tabang is like, can we make this date on Tuesday and not Valentine's Day, actual date? Hi, they're like, oh, okay. But who are you taking on this date? Who is your girlfriend's name? And he says, Tabile. Tabile? Boy, if you don't get this name right. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna take a girl named Tabile on this date. Everyone is shocked. Us, everyone. What? Tabile?
I don't think, no, not Valentine's Day. Can we maybe do Tuesday?
We can do Tuesday. Tuesday is perfect. I presume you're going to bring someone with you. Are you going to bring a friend, maybe someone romantic? We just want to do the table setup.
Yeah. I think I'll come with my girlfriend.
You're going to bring your girlfriend. Okay, wonderful. I'm
Yeah.
putting it here. Romantic. So they put some candles for you and a nice flower on the table. I'm writing that down. All right, Tabang. Can I put your partner's number down? Should I say girlfriend or should I just say partner or wife? Which one is it?
It's girlfriend. You can put down Tabile.
Okay, Tabang, sorry, I missed that. Just repeat that for me. Who would you like to put down as your girlfriend?
Tabile.
Tabile.
No. Incorrect. This is not a multiple choice. Are you insane? Are you drinking vodka straight from the potatoes? Uyahlanya. Uphuza dishwasher. Hi, Sana. They hang up the call. They wrap it up and hang up the call. They call Lebu, the one that the actual girlfriend. They like Lebu, and then she is shaking. She is freaking out. She's like, this man is cheating on me. What? I cannot believe this. I am currently in debt because this man just lost his mother, and I took out loans to help him bury his mother, and he's cheating on me. No, call him back now. Now, let's solve this now. They call Tabang back. Tring tring Tabang. Why? When does What can I Joe? He's like, what are you guys talking about? They like, okay, we have your actual girlfriend on the line, Ulebu. Ulebu was listening to the whole conversation when you said you are taking another girl to Valentine's and not her. He's like, baby, calm down. And then he's like, what? Don't gaslight this girl.
Can you breathe? Breathe for a second.
Can I breathe?
Don't gaslight
Can
her.
I breathe? Can you zip up your pants? Can you do that?
Don't gaslight this girl. He's like, breathe, calm down. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I know a toenail of Satan when I see one. I know someone who belongs beneath the basement of Lucifer when I hear him, okay? He's gaslighting this girl. This girl's like, excuse me, you're cheating on me after everything, after the date. Tabang is like, calm down. He literally is like, calm down. Anel is like, stop it. You were caught on radio cheating. And he's like, no, you guys don't know AI. He blamed AI. He said, you guys don't know AI. AI, you guys could have changed my voice and made it seem like it's me. They like, the fuck not. You are a liar. You're a liar and a lawyer. You're a liar. Oh yeah. Okay? Stop it. It's up to you to fix your relationship. And then they're like, you guys can work through this. It's clear that he wanted to take this girl out on the Tuesday and not the actual Valentine's Day. So he's clearly cheating on this girl. He's cheating on you with this girl and not cheating on this girl with you. You are the main. You are the love of his life. He's just, he's not. He can't keep his voice in his one frying pan. He wants to use Lee Crusade. He wants to use Lee Morgan. He wants to use Smack. No. Stick to your heart. Stick to your heart pot. That pot can carry you through January to December and back to January again. You always need your heart pot. Whether you're having a bride, whether you're having a wedding, whether you're having anything, you always need your heart pot there. Why? I don't even want to hear anything. But it was such a shooketh show when a man tried to gaslight the country and tell us it's AI. Okay? Guys, also for those coming to my event, we are literally like almost sold out. We are running out of tickets, like three tickets left. Yes, 3 tickets left. Thank you so much to all our sponsors from AON, Tato Fox, Pelo Shabalala, Dim Pomponyane, these are my colleagues here on social media. Lelona, the storytime lover of mine, Zwanda, finance queen, Uzi, who's got a beautiful how-to channel here on YouTube. Did I say Tato Fox? Pelo Shabalala, did I say? Tando Muslala. Oh my goodness. Do you see people that are sponsoring us? Tando Muslala. I needed to make a full, actually, like a full PDF. Please, I'm not forgetting you on purpose. It's just like at the top of my head. Niyabonga kakhulu, 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 kakhulu. And like I said, thank you for everyone that asked for tickets and asked for a giveaway. Tickets are coming your way, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the 28th. Thank you so much. It's going to be such an amazing event.